So today I'm going to be making mug cookies, and I think that's the perfect way to start the holiday season off. They're the cutest thing, and your kids can decorate them. You can hang them off your coffee mugs, your hot cocoa, you name it. And I'm going to show you guys the quick and easy way to do it. I know how much I love to cook from scratch baking, but sometimes during the holidays you just don't have the time. So I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way, and let's get to the kitchen. Oh, and if you're wondering, I will link this apron down below. It is from our site, a new collection. It says Holiday Homebody, and there are some holders. There are 3 pockets here for all your needs. With that said, let's get to the kitchen and show you guys how I make these mug cookies. Okay, so with our aprons on and our hair up, we are going to get this cookie dough, Pillsbury sugar cookies, and we're going to just put that in a bowl with some 1/4 cup of flour. And make sure you're preheating your oven because mine just went off. So make sure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're basically just going to knead the cookie dough with the flour mixture. But that's going to be perfect for cookie cutouts in any shape that you want. I'm using these mug cookie ones, which are going to be amazing. So I'm just gonna mix that all in there, and we want to make sure that we're breaking this cookie dough up and mixing that flour in. So I have my rolling pin, and I'm just gonna roll it nice and flat. To stop the sticking, you can rub some flour on here. I clearly forgot to, but you can dust some flour on there and it will help with the sticking. Now I have the cutest cookie cutters. This is Gingerbread Man. We're gonna set him there. We have a reindeer. We have a candy cane. And of course, Santa's hat. And all we do is just literally, boom, push them down. Clearly, lift these up. We can just take a butter knife and get one edge out, and you can lift it up. Or what I prefer, and then I'll pop up like that. But what I prefer to do is kind of just like peel these edges off and save all the cookie dough, because we're going to use every last bit of this. We're just going to re-roll it out and keep repeating the process until we have pretty much no cookie dough left. Sheet lined with parchment paper, and I am just placing the cookies on there, making sure that we keep that shape, because sometimes it can fall through, and if it falls through, don't worry, you can ball it up and try again. But we're gonna get the rest of these cookies on here and then pop these in the oven for 10 minutes, and then I'll show you what they come out looking like. Outline them and then fill them in, so I'll just do that all along the edge. And then I'll go back and fill it in, and you look how cute that is. But yeah, you can just go crazy with these, decorate them the way you want, and it's so great because the kids will have like a ton of fun doing these, and it's super simple. And